Introducing the Distribution Duo. This 2-in-1 tool breaks up clumps and distributes coffee grinds evenly for better extraction results. Available in 54mm and 58mm sizes. Crafted from stainless steel and walnut timber, it blends durability with style. To use, remove the pin distributor from the handle. Adjust the 8 pins angled or straight, and use circular motions to break up clumps, creating an even coffee bed. This creates a more balanced flavor by removing the risk of defects that come about from channeling. After use, place the pin distributor back into the handle. Next, use the blade-style distribution tool with 3 angled blades to level the coffee grounds by spinning it gently. You can also adjust the height based on the amount of coffee you have in the basket. The combination of these tools prevents channeling and produces a balanced shot. Now, tamp with the force-gauge tamper for a perfectly polished puck. The Distribution Duo simplifies coffee ground preparation, ensuring an even and precise tamp for a perfect espresso shot. The Craft Collection by Sage.